one of 150 in the UK mini fully electric cabriolets. So the way this works, secured with a Starline Pro. Thief got the key, went to steal it. As soon as they put it in gear, vehicle cuts out. Drive, reverse, whatever they select, vehicle cuts out, they're unable to drive it. So for the customer, they'll start the car, go for a unique code of their choosing, totally up to them. Hear a disarm tone, they can select the gear, drive away, vehicle remains running. They don't want to waste the time with the pin code, they can have their Bluetooth phone connected up, it can be locked in their pocket. When they get in, simply start the car, it disarms using their phone, and they can drive off. No need to waste time putting the pin code in, it's ready to drive, ready to go. No need to waste time, just phone in your pocket, drive away. If this car has to go back to Mini for a service, you can put it into service mode. And the way you do that, go into the Starline Key app on your connected phone while you're in the vehicle. Press and hold on here. When it's green, it means the system's active, your vehicle's secure. Keep holding until it goes yellow, let go, you get 2 bleeps. That puts the vehicle into service mode. Turns the whole system off, makes it basically a factory vehicle. It's going to start up without a code, go into gear, no disarm tone, no need for a phone or a code. Just when it goes back to Mini, hand them the key, there'll be none the wiser, anything's fitted. When you get it back home, you want it secure, we go back into the app, press and hold on the yellow circle till it goes back to green, meaning it's protected. We let go, we get 2 bleeps, and the system's active again. So just to test it, we're going to turn our Bluetooth off on our phone, or we'll take our phone out of range, leave it indoors, come out, start the vehicle, go to put it in gear, cuts out. Just confirming to us that the vehicle's actually now secure and it's been enabled again, out of service mode correctly. If the customer wants to change the code, they can change this to whatever they want. So we'll keep our foot off the brake, turn the ignition on, prove that it's us with our code, our current code. The system will disarm, then we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 presses. We'll turn the ignition off and back on. We receive 5 bleeps, and now we can set our new code. This can be a combination of any button supported on the vehicle, but for video purposes we'll keep it simple at 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for a disarm tone. Sorry mate, wait for a double bleep. Repeat it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for a double bleep. And that's our new code set. We can turn the vehicle off. So now, when the customer gets in, they can put their new push sequence in. As you saw, we've done 4 presses, so we'll start the car. We didn't leave it long enough. We'll give it 10 seconds to set. Make sure our Bluetooth's off. So now we'll start the car. Pop our new code in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Disarm tone, select a gear, drive away. As you can see, we've set our new pin code. If you want to get one of these installed, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. This is a Starline Pro on a 2023 brand new mini fully electric cabriolet, one of 150 in the UK, one of 999 in total. Thanks for watching.